Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 2678, that is the number of senior citizens, and then this will be given a zero index array of strings details. Each element of details provides information about a given passenger compressed into a string of 15. And the system says that the first 10 characters consist of the phone number of passenger, the next character denotes the gender of the person, and the following two characters are used to indicate the age of the person, and the last two characters determines the seat allotted to that particular person. And we have to return the number of passengers who are strictly more than 60 years old. Okay, for example, and this is the age of the particular person, that is 70 years. So we are having one person who is greater than 60. Then this person's age is 92. So we are having two persons whose age is greater than 60. But in this case it's just 40, so we cannot consider this. So we are having only two people whose age is greater than 60. Okay, so for this we'll firstly let's have a answer variable, that is initially 0, and then for string detail in details array. Okay, what we'll be doing is we'll be having the current age. So we'll be doing an integer dot parse int integer s dot, oh sorry, detail dot substring from the index 11th to index 12, but we need to go up to 13 because this is how it works in the cases of substring method. And we'll be checking that if current age is greater than 60, in this case I'll be incrementing my answer and I'll be returning my answer. Okay, now let's give it a run. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. And it gets accepted. Okay, but this was not just it for today. We'll be doing it without like parsing it into int. What we can do is we'll have a string age, and we'll be basically doing the string comparison. That will also give us answer. String age, that is equal to 60, because this is what we want. So instead here we'll be doing we'll be getting the string current. uh, let's just remove these parentheses, integer dot parse, and here we will be just doing the details dot substring 11 to 13. Okay, and now what we'll be doing is we'll be doing a age dot compare current. And what this will be giving is that if my current age is basically lexicographically greater than age, so it will be returning me value less than 0. And if it would have been vice versa, like if age is greater than my current lexicographically, then it will be giving me minus sorry, a positive number. And if both things are equal, like if age is equal to my current age is equal to the given age 60, which is basically if I subtract here, so it will be giving me 0. But we need to consider the less than 0 one case. And if we give it a run now, okay, age dot compare, or compared to, I guess it is. Now let's give it a run. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine as well. Okay, so this is what for today. Thank you for watching.